want. This is what you'll be able to watch later. So it's just getting started here. I think it's already started. That's among the stuff that we just pushed out, all the debris down there.
Okay.
So that's the city. This is your pipe now. So that's really crooked. This isn't, I don't think anything's broken here. What they do is, so they're belted together kind of like this is right here,
Yep.
like a male to female. They used a straight piece. They should have put a 45 here instead of like, and they just forced it. So the problem is that it's starting to creep away. Like you can see like that lip right there is like this lip. You know what I mean? So eventually it's going to pull all the way apart, you know? So, so that's one of the concerns. Let me make some notes. In our liner, we would try to get it right on this. It's going to be kind of difficult, you know, but we'll try to get over it. You know, you just can't go into the city, otherwise that causes a bunch of problems too. So 87 feet, that way I can give you some numbers.
Okay.
So this is your 6-inch clay. You can see it's pretty clean. You'll see a few spots where there's a little bit of rocks in the joints and stuff like that. That's not too big of a deal. Like that little guy in there.
Yeah.
Those little guys got stuck there. Damage in it that I'm seeing. Hold on. Maybe I missed something already. No, that's what I was looking for. So there, that's cracked. Here it goes up and around. There's a little hole at the top.
Yep.
One rock. And then you got a low spot here. So that'll still be low when you put a liner in it, but it's not too bad. So there's another hole circumference and a hole in the top.
Yep.
Crack into a big hole, and then a big hole on the top. See there?
Yep.
Yeah, we can't see that in this video. I will go watch it again. But and then there's the front clean out, so that's going to be, we'll dig, you know, right in there, and then that's where we'll start it from. So, right, just going We'll pull it back out.